You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 1 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by 3y. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Add 12y to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is y equals 1 over 3.